All right, now in the Supra, there's 3 different ways to lower it. You have airbags, coilovers, and then you have lowering springs. Airbags are kind of common, especially with the wide body versions or the builds that people are doing. Coilovers, a little bit more common, but you know, who wants to ride around static all the time with their car completely dumped? And then you have lowering springs, and since we went with the Eibach lowering springs on the C8, we might as well go with it on the Supra. I don't like you with that first one, huh? Boom. This is way harder than it should be, and you know why? Huh? Because of that right there. It's just going to be pulling these, putting the compressor on, and popping the top down.